What happens when a law firm treats SEO like a serious case file? In 14 months, they boosted their traffic by 463.9%. This is their. I'll break down exactly what we did and what can you borrow for your own practice starting today. Coming up in this video, you'll learn: does search engine optimization for lawyers still matter in 2025? I'll show you why organic search is still the #1 channel for getting high-intent clients, even in the age of AI overviews and AI mode. A real case study: how one law firm increased traffic by 463.9% in 14 months. I'll walk you through the step-by-step blueprint: what they changed, what content they created, and how they prioritized it. What SEO tactics are effective for law firms today? From keyword mapping to local optimization, I share which strategies move the needle. Before you walk into court, you prepare every argument, right? You know that even one overlooked detail can cost you the case. But let me ask you this: have you prepared your website the same way? Because when someone searches for legal help online, your site is either showing up or it's invisible. And just like in court, being invisible means you lose before the conversation even starts. That's why in 2025, SEO still matters, maybe more than ever. Even with AI tools like flashy LLMs, people still search Google when they need a lawyer. I know for sure I wouldn't let AI choose my lawyer. And I'm pretty certain that the majority of us share the same sentiment. They want someone professional, local if possible, trustworthy, and visible. And if your law firm isn't showing up in that moment, you are handing the case to your competitors even without knowing it. Let's start with the basics. Google is still the #1 place people go when they need help. Even if ChatGPT can explain what probate means, no one's hiring a lawyer off AI suggestions. When people are ready to take action, they Google it, and they need to find a lawyer's website to convince themselves it's what they need. That's why SEO for lawyers in 2025 is still a powerful growth tool. If you are not convinced, here are some numbers. The 3-year ROI on SEO is a whopping 526% for the average law firm. A study from First Page Sage says SEO was rated as the most effective channel for marketing and gaining clients by 79% of surveyed legal professionals in a law firm study by Brand Muscle. Here's our today's case study. A medium-level law firm, active in the probate and estate planning vertical, having a website since 2011, about 250 blog posts published along the way, and some organic traffic. They came to me with the purpose of improving their organic traffic visibility and attracting more probate clients from organic search. A detailed and complete SEO audit revealed that their weakness was content and entirely lack of on-page SEO optimization, even if their WordPress theme was ancient and costly to maintain. The major problem was that they had been producing content for years, but it was very thin, typically around 200 words on a blog. Plus, they had no coherent content strategy and were picking the wrong topics, like speaking about famous probate and estate planning cases. They had about 40 such articles, or these were good for entertainment at best, while their potential clients were looking to solve their own problems. Having multiple content providers along the years, they also had some major duplicate issues. About 20 cases with 2 to 9 duplicates per article subject. And they also had about 15 newer articles that covered the topic correctly. In this case, the top priorities were two: eliminate the duplicate issues, merge the articles on the same subject, and properly redirect. Delete the irrelevant articles, those related to famous probate processes. delete pages with 0 impressions and 0 clicks. Keyword mapping for existing high-quality blogs and properly on-page optimization as per current best practices. Optimize service pages for conversion and for on-page SEO. Fix internal linking. Create high-quality articles for their audience topics of interest. Answer real questions their clients ask. Prioritizing high-volume keywords with low difficulty. This niche has plenty. For example, how long do you have to transfer property after death? Or how to contest a will? Plus, we made sure everything followed bar association rules, keeping things general and compliant while still persuasive for clients. We didn't overdo the legal jargon. We wrote like people talk when they're scared, confused, and looking for legal help. Create local service pages and optimize for Google Local Pack. Next, local SEO and the Google Business Profile. We made sure their location info was accurate, asked for reviews, and build local citations. And we only created city-specific pages for places they actually had offices or verified partners. No fake locations and no keyword stuffing. Why? Because Google prioritizes proximity, and users do too. The result of a proper SEO for Lawyers program, a whopping 463.9 increase in organic traffic over 14 months. From approximately 1,600 clicks monthly organic traffic to 7,400 and a peak of 11,300. Keyword rankings more than doubled, from 400 keywords in the top 10 to about 1,000 a year later. The phone started ringing often and very often. And the best part, it's still there. Now, here's the thing. Doing this on your own, totally possible. But SEO for lawyers takes time, patience, and skill. It's full-time job. And at some point, DIY becomes unsustainable. If you are hiring help, look for someone who knows their stuff, can show real case studies, and delivers real results, even if it takes time. Now you know what works, and you've seen what's still possible. But here's the truth. No strategy works if your foundation is broken. So the next thing you need to do is simple. Run a content audit on your legal website. This will tell you exactly what pages are holding you back, where you are missing opportunities, and how to clean things up before you scale. I have a step-by-step video on how to run an SEO content audit, even if you are not a tech expert or full-time marketer. This is the step that can turn everything you just learned into measurable traffic, leads, and growth.